Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough of our 2013 BMW E92 M3 we have in stock. This M3 is finished in Silverstone blue. You've got the optional 19-inch 220M alloy wheels, the optional high gloss Shaowline trim, optional tinted glass, folding door mirrors as well. As part of the M Sport package, you get the Xenon headlights, the LED rear lights, and the M Aerodynamic body styling you can see throughout the exterior. You've also got an aftermarket exhaust system at the rear, which creates a monstrous sound from the V8 engine in the front. On the inside of the car now, you've got a full leather interior. You've got the Novillo leather upholstered front seats with the M Sport badging on the headrests. You've got the full electric functions available on the side with the memory settings as well. You've also got the heated seat functions as an optional feature. You can see on the center console here. You've also got your climate control functions. On the center screen, you can see DAB radio as an optional feature, as well as the parking sensors, also another optional feature. And lastly, you've got the 7-speed dual clutch transmission as an optional feature, which gets you the drive logic control button here for increased upshift times, as well as the power button on the side for more aggressive downshifts. If you'd like any more information on this 2013 BMW E92 M3 or would like to see the full specification sheet, please contact one of our sales team through the number at the end or inquire through our website.